Hey, it's Barry Schanz, founder of Rubyserv, and I'm going to talk about sound, in particular, somebody's story that was told to me about a childhood memory of watching The Empire Strikes Back on his godfather's home theater system. So, The Empire Strikes Back got an award for Best Sound. And have you ever watched a movie at home and the sound was really, really bad? I mean, you cranked up the volume and you were struggling to understand what was being said. And you turn it up, and it ends up sounding a little bit better in some ways, but it ends up getting more distorted. And so this special memory, and I kind of share maybe a similar story, but the memory and the emotional experience from that excellent sound with a thrilling, exceptionally good movie. I don't know, maybe you don't like this movie, but a lot of people do. That kind of an experience is life-changing, because from Jimmy sharing that story, it pushed his life in a direction where having great sound systems was important to where it became a priority in part because of the great sound from his godfather's home theater system, watching The Empire Strikes Back as a child. It's an awesome story. Loved it.